All right. From here, the next thing for us to check is if our name chip SSL is active. All right. So from here, where my mouse is, under products, where my mouse is. All right. So the next thing is to go to cPanel. Go to cPanel, control panel. Control panel. All right. Then you click on name chip SSL. Name chip SSL. Okay. Then the next thing you click install via name chip SSL. Install. Right. Okay, yours might show like this. What you do is you scroll down. Okay, mine is already active. But in case yours is showing pending, what you need to do is you click synchronize. All right, you click synchronize and it will be active. So that is it for activating Namecheap SSL. So the next thing we will do is to create custom email. All right, we'll be creating custom email. So what we'll do now is we'll go scroll. Then by your left hand side, where you're seeing this box, like a menu, it's home. You click on it. All right. Then I'm scroll down and look for email account. All right. Look at email accounts here. Then you click. Then you click. After that, you click create. Are you saying it? Create. Good. So whatever you're creating now is no longer going to be at gmail.com. It's going to be at your domain name.com, whatever name you want, at your domain name.com. So I'm going to type info, right? Info. So but I'm going to hide this because of my password. So please pardon me. All right. All right, so you can see my password. This password has the strength of 85, which meets or exceed the system requirement of 50. So make sure you use a strong password, all right, when you're creating yours. Then after this, you click create, and you've just created your custom password. I'm going to save it. Just created your custom password, all right. So that's just it. I'll still teach you how to log in. Look at the info at mcuniforms.com. Unrestricted. So that's just it for what's it called? Domain, hosting, SSL, and custom email. All right. Thank you very much. God bless us all.